Yesterday we had our first winter snowstorm, and I honestly wasn't sure if my mini greenhouse could handle it. But look at this. Everything outside is covered in snow, and these plants are still alive and thriving. Check this out. The thermometer inside shows it's a few degrees warmer in here than the temperature outside. That tiny difference is what keeps these plants from freezing. The greenhouse traps sunlight during the day and holds on to just enough warmth to protect them through the night. So, even with snow, wind, and freezing temps, these plants made it through the first winter storm without a single casualty. Mini greenhouse, first snowstorm, plants still growing. Winter gardening unlocked.